Got one.
Yeah.
I hope he's big. Nope. Another little pecker. Hey, leave it there. That's me. Bad fishy.
What?
Just happened to me. Absolute tank of a fish. Probably what, 4 pounds you'd say? You? Got one. Oh my goodness, that fish feels good. He's not. Oh my reel just came off. Is he big? Oh, he's still on. There's no way. Oh, he's really not that bad. Gut hook, but you know. Bro, how does this keep happening? How my reel? Need my de-hooker. Dance for me. I mean, yeah. Oh shoot, he's starting to bleed. I'm gonna have to release this one quick because I don't want him to die. So I'm not gonna be able to hold him for the cam. But release a bunch of line. There he is. Not too shabby. And then take the hook, spin it out. He's not bleeding. And he's bleeding. No way. I have another one.
Oh my.
There's no way. Is that the same fish?
That's the same fish.
I don't know. It might be. No. That's smaller. Oh, this is the easiest fishing ever. I just backlash and I catch fish. Fish. Hey, bad fishy. Or no, he's a little smaller. What is up, guys? I did not record an intro for this video, but this is our outro. I just kind of wanted to have fun, trying to post a lot more often, so a lot of these videos are just going to be basic, just me going out and fishing and having fun. So we're out on Lake Underhill today. I mean, it wasn't great, wasn't horrible. I had 4 tiny fish, but it is what it is. Figure it out next time. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See ya.